Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Gmail, as many of you will know, has one default inbox. And I thought in this video, if you would be interested, just to show you, in case you're unaware, how you can actually set up multiple inboxes in Gmail without using any third-party software or any extensions as an example, and just using the default settings that come bundled in Gmail to set up different inboxes. Now, this is especially handy if you, as an example, are receiving numerous emails on a day-to-day basis. And it goes without saying, setting up multiple inboxes can just bring a little bit more order and declutter your main inbox. So to do this, it's quite simple, and we head up to the gear icon in the top right of Gmail for the web. We click on that, and this opens up quick settings. And what we need to do now is scroll down to where we get inbox type. And for this, we head right down to the bottom where we see multiple inboxes. We toggle that on, and then we'll have to scroll down once again to click on Customize. And this is where we get a whole lot of customization options for multiple inboxes. And if you see any default sections, just delete them. And then for today's video, I'm going to use an example that we got back in the day with a feature called Inbox by Google, which is no more. And these are the 4 sections or 4 multiple inboxes we are going to set up for the purpose of today's video. Now, I will leave this down below so you can just copy and paste, because this is quite a mouthful. So the first inbox we're going to set up is newer than 1 day label inbox. So let's just copy and paste that in. And that's already in. I've already used that as an example, just fiddling around before today's video. Section 2, we head back, and this is older than 1 day, newer than 2 days label inbox. And obviously you can fiddle around with these different sections or inboxes to your own personal choice and preference. I'm just using a couple, as mentioned, that were found in Inbox by Google back in the day. And then for the next one, you get the idea. Older than 2 days, newer than 7 days, label inbox. And as mentioned, these will all be down in the description for you to copy and paste for easy access and reference. And then section 4, the 4th inbox will be older than 7 days, and there we go. Now with that all out the way, and we just paste that last one in. And of course, you've got 5 sections you can use, and you can also use a section name, but I'm just going to leave that just as it is for the purpose of today's video. And once you've set up your different sections or multiple inboxes, you just scroll right down to the bottom and you click Save Changes. And now you'll see when we head back to my inbox, there we go. So I've got newer, older, newer than 1 day, older than 1 day, newer than 2 days, older than 2 days, newer than 7 days, and then older than 7 days, and there we go. And obviously, if you have emails in those different categories which apply to the labels and the sections you have set up, then obviously those would appear. And I actually think this is a nice little feature to know about, because especially if you are receiving numerous emails, you can just declutter things and just bring a little bit more organization, as mentioned. And that's just a quick video to show you how you can set up multiple inboxes. And then obviously, if you want to put it back to the default standard inbox, we just head back to the same gear icon settings. We scroll down, we put it back to default as an example, and there we get primary, promotions, and social. And if you want to customize that just to one default inbox, you can just delete those other options, click save, and there everything's back to normal. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.